Superfoods have long been the highlight of any discussion about health or healthy food. The easiest and most straightforward way of giving yourself energy, preserving your body and losing weight is probably available at your neighborhood food store, or it might even be in your kitchen gardens. Despite the fact that some of these healthy foods are underneath our noses, we do not consume them on a regular basis. Many health experts around the world have been advocating for the incorporation of superfoods into our diets, and some say that merely adding a few of them to your daily menu is enough to provide your well-being with an instant boost. Among the superfoods you can find at the nearest marketplace or supermarket are legumes, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, strawberries, salmon, dark chocolate with 70% of cocoa, and many green leaves. Remember that the greener the vegetables are, the healthier the vegetables are. For this reason, kale has become the object of such legendary tale that have turned it into the unofficial king of superfoods. Spinach, mangold, and bok choy are high on this list as well. And the question is, what are in these superfoods that makes them so desirable? These foods have a high level of essential nutritional elements, e.g. protein, minerals, vitamins, essential fatty acids and more. They also have high doses of antioxidants. They are easily absorbed and digested. Benefits every body system. Also beauty enhancing for a glowing skin, shiny hair and sparkling eyes. It is also recommended to test a variety of superfoods to see which one of them is having the best effect on you.